When you reopen a document that you've been working on, Word will always open at the beginning of the document automatically. For a particularly long document, searching for the spot where you left off can be annoying. So today, I'm going to show you a shortcut that will take you to the last thing you changed before saving and closing. When you open the document, press Shift plus the F5 key on your keyboard. Word will jump to the last thing you edited. In this case, it jumped to the end of page 18. Next time you reopen a document, use this shortcut to pick up right where you left off.